Well, shalom, ladies and gentlemen. Looking at the keys on an 88 keyboard, black keys and white keys, and there's big three piles of them, Lego blocks. I remember when I was a kid, I would buy puzzles made out of wood, and they would only fit together a certain way. I don't know if you can even get them anymore, but when I was a kid, I'd be visiting my grandma, and I'd walk to the grocery store, or whatever the little corner store was at that time in Detroit, and I would buy these little puzzles, and I would take them apart, hopefully without the instructions, and try to put them back together without the instructions. That was the idea. And what you've got here is a bunch of keys from the keyboard, because what I want to do is clean this mess up. Hopefully this light will cooperate, but I don't know. I don't even know what that stuff is. Looks like something climbed up behind the keys, up underneath, to get in there. I don't know how. There's a little hole there. It got up in behind, and maybe a mouse or something put his little dinner back there, and it lost his housing when I picked the piano up. And look at all this dirt, all this dust. So I'm going to clean all this up, vacuum it up, clean the keys, reinstall them. Oh, I was looking for that. Keypads are in good shape. There's no missing pieces, and the levelers are all there. So I'll be able to. That right there is what held the block pad down. That and two screws. It's a good idea to put your attaching hardware back in the hole so you don't lose them. I've already made that mistake in a couple of situations. And so this is what I've got going on right now. I'll put the keys back in once I get that cleaned up. That function will be done. I already started vacuuming out the there was a lot of dust on those strings. You can't really hardly see, but a lot of dust behind the strings that I'm not really going to be able to do anything with. I'll probably go after it with Q-tips or something. I don't know that I want to blow all that dust off into the room. But all these keys, 88 of them, you can see there's quite a bit of dirt on the sides of the keys. I think it's just a good idea to clean everything up. Let me show you what the other progress is that I did from the other video. See, all those pull rod anchors are all facing one way. But there's a lot of dirt. I'm going to clean all that up, just hypoallergenic it. And this is all the pull wires, drop wires that I did today. Got a start on it anyway. I got the parts coming from Texas, of all places. I think the guy's a keyboard player himself, piano player, so big pile of broken bits. And you can see that I was able to make some progress from the last video. I still have a few more to do, but I wanted to clean the keyboard, the case today, and try to do something to get the keys happy with the inside of it. It's a good learning experience. If you've never done a piano, get one that's broken and learn, because when it's broken, you can't break it. It's already done. Somebody's already broke it for you. So no matter what, it's a learning experience, and then when you get done, you feel good about that. I think Zen in the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance talked about gumption building, but you can see the these are the whippers, wipers, whippers, whatever, whip it good. Crack that whip. I hope I'm a better piano player than I am a singer. Well, listen, thanks for watching this. Give me a like or a thumbs up, or subscribe to the channel. Listen, I would appreciate it. If you're getting help from these videos, support the channel. Thanks. Shalom.